Essential survival gadgets every prepper should own. Because when the lights go out, the shelves are bare, and your neighbors are fighting over the last can of beans, you don't need luxury. You need gear that keeps you breathing. Survival isn't about hero speeches. It's about science, tools, and ugly little devices that make the difference between alive and meat. Forget stockpiling flat-screen TVs. We're talking essentials. Stuff that works when the world doesn't. Number 1. The multi-tool. Not the shiny mall cop kind, a real one. Knife, pliers, screwdriver, saw. One chunk of steel that replaces an entire toolbox. Your bunker won't have Wi-Fi, but at least you'll have a blade sharp enough to open cans or end arguments. Science payoff? Leverage and steel. A multi-tool means force times precision, in your pocket. Number 2. The water filter. No, not the $200 luxury pitcher. I'm talking life-saving straws, gravity bags, or DIY filters made from sand, charcoal, and a sock. Because without water, you last 3 days. With dirty water, you last 3 hours before you're a diarrhea fountain. Boil it, filter it, or die. Simple science. Pores smaller than bacteria equals survival. Number 3. The hand crank radio and light combo. No batteries? No problem. Crank the handle, charge the capacitor, and you've got light and signal. This isn't Netflix, it's worse. Static, emergency channels, maybe one human voice that proves you're not alone. Electricity born from muscle. Physics in action. Motion creates current. Keep cranking. Keep surviving. Number 4. The fire starter. Matches get wet. Lighters run dry. Ferro rods, flint, even a car battery and steel wool if you hate your fingers. Fire means heat, cooked food, and not dying from cold. Science lesson? Spark plus fuel plus oxygen equals life. Don't waste it. Number 5. Solar charger. Not the rooftop fantasy, just a foldable panel small enough to charge a phone, radio, or LED light. Sunlight into electrons, chaos into power. Don't expect to run a fridge, but do expect to keep your gear alive long enough to matter. Bonus, solar never runs out. The sun doesn't need your money. Number 6. Power banks. Charge them now, thank them later. They don't care if the grid dies tomorrow, they'll still dump out enough juice for lights, radios, or maybe your phone's final goodbye selfie. Energy is currency. A power bank is survival cash. That's 6 gadgets every prepper needs. Multi-tool, water filter, hand crank radio or light, fire starter, solar charger, power bank. Not glamorous, not cinematic, but science doesn't care about style. These are the tools that keep you alive when the world forgets how. Because survival isn't luck. It's preparation, gadgets, and a little physics.